In front of me is ALCATEL One from 2022, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So first of all, enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, find and pick system, and click on about phone. Now scroll down actually, and once you see build number, tap on it 7 times. And then just click on OK. Draw your unlock pattern if you have one. And as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So let's go back. And developer options appeared here. Smoothly click to open. And now you can use all of them. Then to hide developer panel again, just unmark the stop switcher. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.